Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and today I will show you how to boot the device into download mode. So before we get started, you will need a cable that you use for charging, plug it into your computer and have it somewhere on the side. Now once that is ready, you want to power off the device. Now, unlike every other device, the power key doesn't power off the phone on this one anymore. So you want to pull down the notification panel and you will find a button right here. So you can just tap on it. And then you get the boot options that you would normally do by holding the power key. So let's just tap on power off and wait for it to shut off. And once it's shut off, you want to take the cable, take the phone, hold volume up and down together. And while holding both of those keys, you want to plug in the phone. And then you will see the warning message. I'm not sure how visible it is. But basically, you want to tap volume up to continue, volume down to cancel. So let's tap volume up. And now we're in download mode. Now I'm gonna just unplug it because it's not needed anymore, at least to showcase this. So that is how you would access the download mode and how it looks like. And you also have a message right here. If you want to leave the mode, hold volume down and side key, basically the power key, for more than 7 seconds to cancel / restart phone. So to leave, that's what we're gonna do. Volume down and power key. And you see that the screen just turned off and now it's turning back on into the normal Android. And as you can see, we're now in the Android mode or Android system. So that is how you would enter and also exit the download mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.